Hey, it's me from Team Tech here, and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be applying a screen protector on my MacBook Pro 16.2 inch M1 Pro laptop, that long name. So here it is. It's the AM glass tempered glass, or MacBook's Glass Screen Pro Premium Tempered. It's got 9H of high rigidity, defense friction, explosion proof, because we plan on exploding our MacBook, and scratch and wear resistant, high definition vision, and anti-fingerprint. Big deal for me. So we have all that going for this. So yeah, we're gonna open this thing up, and it comes with screen protector installation accessories, some QR code thing, and it's gonna be right here inside of this. So we're gonna set this up together and see how it goes. Let's do it. So we are going to open this, and this is the screen protector applications. So it comes with a cloth, a wet wipe. I don't recommend using this. I have a cleaning solution of my own. We have the dust removal stickers, and that's it. I preferably use my LCD screener. It's from Insignia that you can buy from your local Best Buy. I don't trust wet wipes. You're not supposed to put alcohol on these screens, so this is a non-alcoholic solution, so this is what I use. Spray like so. Next is the dust removal. Here's the screen protector. It has a sticker on the left corner that says 1, and we just have a 1 sticker. That's it. So we're gonna try to apply this. That was a really easy application. Alright, let me get the MacBook charged and we can see how it looks. Moment of truth. Let me turn off these lights behind me. Alright, let's look at it. Let's look at it. Okay. It's like you can't even tell I have a screen protector on there. See the notch? See the little cutout hole? Alright. Let's sign in. Alright. So, yes, I do like this better than my other screen protector I had on here because it was a matte type of coating, but this tempered glass one is looking pretty good from the home screen. The cutout is evenly there. The hole is perfectly centered on the camera. Say we did a good job here. Looking good. The mini LED on this looks really good. The black letter bars are purely black, and they're only reflective because the screen protectors were kind of reflective, but
I'm not saying you have to make up the Lisa.
I don't see any degradation of color. No degradation of color. Everything looks good. It's slightly reflective, but that's okay. This is still better than the matte screen protector as it retains the color clarity. Overall, how am I feeling about this screen protector? It's really good. You get an adhesive stickiness on the borders of the screen protector instead of having the adhesive completely on the back of it, like most screen protectors, like on phones, for example. The adhesive for this is on the borders, so that's nice. And the borders are kind of thickish, but it's just outside the screen to where it doesn't matter. It kind of blends in with the display. The cutout for the notch is very good. It's a very precise cutout. Got the camera hole right in the center. And the colors just look good. On the matte screen protector I had prior to that, the colors still looked very good, but I don't know. The difference between matte and tempered glass. And tempered glass is definitely nice. It's very thin, so you have no problem closing the lid. And yeah, it just works. I'm digging it, and hopefully it does its job and protects my screen. No more fingerprint coatings and none of that other trash stuff. Alright, that's it from me. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon, stay tuned for more. Peace.